Alright guys, getting in here for day 74 I think. Not gonna let things end early here. Since I got a late, like really late start to the day today, I'm just gonna try and go up and meet up with some guys that I know are up there. Same group from yesterday. And see if I can find them. I think it's already like 2 o'clock, so by the time I get up there, it'll probably be about time to come down, but I can't just hang out down here today and not ride. Well, we're getting a way later start than I even planned to. I think it's like 3 o'clock now. Ended up talking to some people at the Snowmobile Club here for quite a while. But we'll still get up there. I think I might change my idea for the video today, and we'll go up into the mountains here and we'll do maybe a little review of the 146 here and how it's treated me this year. Well, while I pound through the moguls here, I may as well talk to myself, stay occupied. So we'll talk about what I'm going to do when I get back home and if I'm still going to make videos. You know, I haven't given it that much thought until the last few days, but I think I'll still make some videos because I enjoy doing it, and it'll help keep the channel in the algorithm. So probably won't, well, definitely won't be doing daily videos. Maybe once a week, but more likely probably every other week, maybe once a month come the summertime. But as for what I'm gonna do in those videos, not really sure yet. I was hoping I'd still be able to make a snowmobile video when I got back home, but it's not looking too good since there was just a big meltdown. I've got a side-by-side, so maybe I could do something with that, but you know, to me, but you know what I mean, watching someone rip around in a side-by-side is nothing compared to watching someone rip around on a snowmobile. I'm sure there's people that would rather watch that, but those people probably aren't watching this channel. Well, what's most likely going to happen is I'm actually going to make videos while at work doing what I do, which is heavy equipment operating. You know, I'd say that's my second biggest passion after snowmobiling, and I've been around this stuff my whole life, so I think I'd enjoy making a few videos based around that. We'll have to see what happens. The main trail through here is just rutted to crap. I mean, it's not much better in the trees because it is very hard. Jump, woo! Another jump, woo! Those were some good sound effects, let me tell you. I smell race gas. I bet you any money Nick's up on top of this hill. Alright, let's have a go at this 2021 Freeride 146 review. It's a bit of a wheelie machine, that's for sure. Like I was saying, the 146 is definitely a bit of a wheelie machine. And honestly, I kind of love that about it. You know, it's a really fun sled just to go out and screw around on. Am I gonna buy this sled for technical tree riding? No. I mean, I could do it, and it's a challenge, which I do enjoy the challenge, but it's not the right sled for that. I think the sled's kind of built for going out in the alpine, throwing bow ties, re-entries, whips, jumping, that kind of stuff. I mean, I haven't really done that much jumping with it this year, but look at my buddy Landon on his 146. He sends that thing. He loves his 146. He rode this one with the short tunnel, which his doesn't have, and he noticed it big time, and he said he definitely wanted to get a short tunnel for his 146 next time. I've kept this sled completely stock, basically. The only things I've done is I've turned up the suspension, the compression on the front and rear. I put a wrap on and a front bumper. Besides that, it's completely stock. It's been an awesome sled. Like I was saying, how I like doing the wheelies. Wheelies have a special place in my heart. I'm not gonna lie. You can hate on me for just wanting to wheelie up a mountain. But in Ontario, when I bought my first new snowmobile and second, you know, I really like to just go out and see how long I can hold a wheelie. You don't get the type of terrain here in Ontario or the prairies, so lots of times you're just gonna go out in the meadows and smash some pow, do some pow carves, and do some wheelies, unless you're a trail rider. I mean, you can do both. Now, I wouldn't recommend the Sled for doing both, because some of the changes they've made for the Freeride 2021 and up is they put the 36-inch ski stance on it instead of the 38. They put the Summit running boards on and the short tunnel, so kind of takes away the crossover features. Well, the main difference is the narrow ski stance for me, which I do like the narrow ski stance, but for a crossover sled, it's not really going to be fun to ride on the trail. A couple things I maybe wish that they'd change on this sled, and these are just personal preference, really small things, is I wish it came with the shorter riser like the Summit Expert. This is the 4.7, I believe. It comes with the 5.7. I'd like it to come with an adjustable limiter strap, because like I said, it does have a lot of ski lift. So sometimes it'd be nice to be able to dial that down a little bit, but then put it back up so we can go back on full wheelie mode. I'm kind of making it sound like this sled's just meant to wheelie, but it's not. It's just a really fun, all-around playful sled, and I kind of like having a naturally aspirated sled still. The turbo's fun, and I mean, I do some days miss the power of the turbo, and I might miss the turbo noises a little bit sometimes when I'm out on this. But this sled, it holds its own. I'm not riding at crazy elevations, so this does just fine. And it's a little bit lighter, which probably helps in how flickable it is. Yeah, it's been an awesome sled, like I said, and I might keep it for next year. We'll have to see. Gonna keep it short, simple at that. Thanks for watching the review. Let's go back and find the other guys and see if they've hit that jump yet. I mean, I've probably been over here trying to do this for a half hour, so they've probably hit it. I still don't think they've even hit it. Did you hit it? Oh yeah, I've hit a bunch already. Oh, that's sick. Pack her back in.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, what a nice whip.
Oh.
Oh, what a nice whip. It's got a little sideways on that one. Nice.
So I left the tunnel bag in the truck today because it's like, oh, I don't need it. But it has all my GoPro batteries and the flashlight because it's going to get dark here shortly. So we better make it a little beeline for the parking lot. I didn't bring my tunnel bag up today because I wanted to be able to fly through all these moguls here and not have everything bouncing around back there. Ooh. Really sucks when you don't double the mogul like you're planning to, and then your back end kicks like 2 feet up in the air. More throttle! Hoya! Hoya! You know what's kind of funny? Is even when the GoPro isn't recording now, I still am talking to myself. Or the GoPro. Yeah, I'm talking to the GoPro, not myself. That sounds better. Hey! Get rid of those bumps, would ya? Come on!
We don't fix bumps here.
If I don't see you, take care. Have a good summer. Yeah.
You too.
I think that's enough talking and not enough riding for one day. We'll see you guys on the snow tomorrow. Thanks for watching.